Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. War is on. I'm gonna take off my glasses because this is when I get interesting. War is on. Khago and I-Octane. The one done. Then just take a break. Had a 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Now we here again. War. I-Octane is here with Badda. I-Octane is here with Badda. So we're gonna jump into that one. I really say Badda. Alright, I-Octane. Let's go. Big up yourself, I-Octane. Khago, big up yourself. You don't know war is on. So, let's go.
Yeah, go last. Kill 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So you change your name from Swamp Cat to 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Alright.
Yeah, go last. Kill 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐶. From fierce. Your name that shut the ghost I flee.
The man spliced Khago voice again. Fuck face, I hear your name that I got stifle you.
Your name that shut the ghost I flee.
Shut I got stifle you.
Pascal killing a DB man when me buy gear.
Askel killing at the bima when me buy gear. So, Khago have a new bima, bad bima, where Khago managers tell him, say, yo, if you counteract I-Octane father mother song with a Badda song, you get the bima. So him get the bima. So Khago went live and Khago speak and Khago tell I-Octane bite game. If I never the war, him gonna get it. So I-Octane say, yo, I kill me that bima when me buy gear. What a fucking line, dog.
Pascal killing a DB man when me buy gear.
Ready?
You mean you? Did you ever did why? No. Rifle in my sing so sweet.
Hold on, a collab this? Is this a collab? What the fuck is this? What the is this?
Go last tell him, funk face you and run but you can't hide. Yeah, me catch a rifle pan it be my side. Yeah, the boy must see check man a war part-time. Fuck face can't sleep night or daytime. Anyway, the boy frequent get landslide. The boy best friend collapse on bedside.
How will the blood clot this? No, me have to cuss about that one illegal. What is? Do we have I-Octane and Khago on the same track, sir? What? Wait, man. No, sir.
Boy must see check man a war part-time. Fuck face can't sleep night or daytime. Anyway, the boy frequent get landslide. The boy best friend collapse on bedside. Who not get copper shot now like them drop from cyanide. Can't find the boy and get panic and paranoid. A cocky girl get none can fuck me face or give me no.
We have a collab, that's a brother. What is this? Nah, man, me confused right now, brother. Me confused, you fuck.
Yeah, go last. Kill 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐶.
Yo, me confused. Yo, we never have a war like this. We never have a war like this. We know say them two you rate each other, brother. Them a brother, dog. Come on.
That shut the ghost I flee. Pascal killing a DB man when me buy gear. Did you ever dead boy? You mean you? Did you ever dead boy? No. Rifle in my sing so sweet. Go last tell him, funk face you and run but you can't hide. Yeah, me catch a rifle pan it be my side. Yeah, the boy must see check man a war part-time. Fuck face can't sleep night or daytime.
The man say, yo, where you feel, sir? We are war part-time? This is what Khago said to I-Octane. Where you feel, sir? We are war part-time, brother? You can't sleep nighttime or daytime. The war is 24 hours. The war is on. What you do? Where you depend? What?
The boy must see check man a war part-time. Fuck face can't sleep night or daytime. Anyway, the boy frequent get landslide. The boy best friend collapse on bedside. Who not get copper shot now like them drop from cyanide. Can't find the boy and get panic and paranoid. A cocky girl get none can fuck me face or get
A cocky girl get none can fuck my face. Hold on a second. More want to show you something. The title of the song name Badda. See? Badda. Alright? So if you look on if you look hold on, there's something. If you sort out something quickly. No, me not do. If you look on the two bar them, so the barrier and the bar there over there, so which part so the barrier and the same one there over Khago head. The two of them have the same health. So basically where the cover artist said, I know who make it, where the cover artist said 2 artists them even right now. You see me? So, yo, me just have to find that out. Sorry.
Can't find the boy and get panic and paranoid. I cocky girl get none can fuck me face or give me no fit taste. Shut and bust your face. Money enough, liar up, so me murder that bumbo hole. You step in a court house and bust the case. See only body in your thoughts. No much boy me kill and fling with that last. On the road this do not cross. Ask one last the
yo, this bad no dog.
Chop from cyanide. Can't find the boy and get panic and paranoid. A cocky girl get none can fuck me face or give me no fit taste. Shut and bust your face. Money enough, liar up, so me murder that bumbo hole. You step in a court house and bust the case. See only
yo, the two man them were up on the same bumbo clot song. We never have that in our clash yet. Whether hip hop, dancehall, reggae, and soca, nothing, we never have that in the history of music yet, dog.
girl get none can fuck me face or give me no fit taste. Shut and bust your face. Money enough, liar up, so me murder that bumbo hole. You step in a court house and bust the case. See only body in your thoughts. No much boy me kill and fling with that last. On the road this do not cross. Ask one last the last one we try put rifle on a glass. Then give me a dogs and tie up in and down. Funk face you I run but touch your eye.
Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck am I listening to, dog? What am I witnessing? 2023, March 2023. What am I? No, wait a minute. April 2023. What am I witnessing? Literally history.
A glass set, give me a dogs and tie up in and down. Funk face you I run but touch your eye.
Yeah.
Let me catch a rifle on the be my side. Yeah, the boy must see check man a work part time. Fuck face can't sleep night or daytime. Anyway, the boy frequent get landslide. The boy best friend collapse on bedside.
The boy best friend collapse on bedside. Oh, Khago, but are you acting best friend? So, go on, yeah, so. What the fuck I go on like? Sorry, so me nah break down the lyrics them normally as I do normally and explain what I go on, but I'm confused as fuck. Like, what the hell is this?
Who not get copper shot now like them chop from cyanide. Can't find the boy and get panic. Me circle a clearing down film. Everybody say me run well long time. Nobody don't see. Pussy you not have no credential. Now me place a shot move the denture from your face. He mad.
So Khago say yo me circle a Clarendon theme. Octane say yo pussy you not no credential in my place. You're not bad, you're not a name in my place, so you can never circle down your so. What you deal with? Let me get back to the lyrics breakdown, man. Let me get back to the lyrics breakdown, cause me kind of comprehend what I go on now. So let me get back to the lyrics breakdown. Let's go.
The boy best friend collapse on bedside. Who not get copper shot now like them chop from cyanide. Can't find the boy and get panic. Me circle up.
So I must say yo, who not get gunshot, get poison from cyanide. So yo, listen, everybody have to dead one way or the other. Cyanide depend the scene, so boy have to go drop. If them not get gunshot, so somebody have to go drop. What you say?
Now like them chop from cyanide. Can't find the boy and get panic. Me circle a clearing down film. Everybody say me run well long time. Nobody don't see. Pussy you not have no credential. Now me place a shot move the denture from your face.
Shot move the denture from your face. So you must say yo, shot move, shot take out your teeth, them brother. Shot take out your braces, them Khago.
Pussy you not have no credential. Now me place a shot move the denture from your face. He ma talk about chip black. 19 friend them let him. Put down in a dark and me rifle them treading.
He ma talk about chip black. Remember saying no gun Octane your friend them gun you talk about. You have to bring that back. System gun, you have to bring it back. It's not your gun. That's what Khago said to Octane.
Black, 19 friend them let him.
Yeah.
Put down in a dark and me rifle them treading.
Yeah.
Fool we no borrow gun. 6 months a chop you down. Shot in your head left a hole where you face.
The man say, yo, fool, we no borrow gun. We are talk about friend let me chip black, brother. We no borrow gun na our thing that. We no have to answer to no boy. This a should be done in a one hole. 6'6". Banana tree root.
Fool we no borrow gun. 6 months a chop you down. Shot in your head left a hole where you face. You and run but touch your eye. Let me catch a rifle pan it be my side. Yeah, the boy must see check man I work part time. Fuck face can't sleep night or daytime. Anyway the boy frequent get landslide. The boy best friend collapse on bedside. Who not get copper shot now like them drop from cyanide. Can't find the boy and get panic. Make and paranoid. Sweet in your head like your harmony them.
Make shots sing sweet in their head like your harmony them. So I tell you, say, listen, Khago harmony them bad. Them sick. We know say them bad, but acting admit say them bad too. They must say, yo, listen, make shots sing sweet in their head like your harmony them, brother.
Can't find the boy and get panic. Make shots sing sweet in your head like your harmony them. Kill you, make your crony them ball for them friend. You know.
I go kill him, make a little idiot friend them band for you. I go kill him, make Desai and the rest of man them bad. Desai at the man with always their own Khago. Yo, I go kill him, make Desai and the whole of them ball for you. You know bad.
In your head like your harmony them. Kill you, make your crony them ball for them friend. You know Badda does a bag of chatting can't bully man. Pussy me your born hooligan.
I say you can't bully me, brother. Me a bully. Oh, you feel bully, a bully. Me a hooligan. I was born this way. You can't bully me, Khago. Move up. That's why I act and I say, yo, this is.
You know Badda does a bag of chatting can't bully man. Pussy me your born hooligan. Goal as this a history. Kill him for the same track where the pussy try to diss me.
Goal as this a history. I go kill a fool up on the same track when him try to diss me. What am I dealing with? The same track, brother. Me a kill up on the same song. Not the same rhythm, the same song. Throw it up on the same song and I kill up on it.
Hooligan, goal as this a history. Kill him for the same track where the pussy try to diss me. Bag of chatting bitch. Bust the head and show you not ditch quick. Tell the world where your name again. Funk face you and run but you can't hide.
Mr. this so. Tell the world where your name again. Then Khago fall back in and say fuck face. Mr. this so. It look like say Khago record theme part first. Then it go give and then you jump in a part. That's cheeky. Rude. That's rude.
Tell the world where your name again.
Fuck face.
Funk face you and run but you can't hide.
Yeah.
Let me catch a rifle pan it be my side. Yeah, the boy must see check man I work part time. Fuck face can't sleep night or daytime. Anyway the boy frequent get landslide. The boy best friend collapse on bedside. Who not get copper shot now like them drop from cyanide.
So these are the collab where people been waiting for. These are the collab where people been waiting for. Yo, both artists from the day one, from the first song, this song that me been big enough. From then, both are no bad brother, bad artist brother, history created bro, no joke. Yo, is this a collab? What is this? Because the title of the song only have acting name in it. What the fuck is this, bro? What is this? Yo. Yo. What me just listen to a while ago, dog? Yo, hear me say, dog. Explain what go on in the comment section for me. Cause right now, yo. I need some answers. And I need some fucking answers, bro. Confused the fuck. Yo, be gone. Yo, later.